Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes on YouTube. So let's get started. If you're trying to upload a video that is more than 15 minutes long on YouTube and it's not allowing you to do so, don't worry. You simply need to enable an additional feature on your YouTube channel. First, open YouTube and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, look at the menu on the left side and click on Settings. After that, select Channel and then open the Feature Eligibility section. Here, you'll see different feature levels available for your channel. Find the Intermediate Feature section and check whether it is enabled. This feature is required if you want to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. If it is not enabled yet, you'll need to verify your phone number. Scroll to the Standard Features section and make sure those features are already active on your account. Then click the Verify Phone Number option and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll be asked to choose your country, enter your phone number, and verify it using the code sent to your phone. Once the verification process is completed successfully, YouTube will unlock intermediate features for your channel. After that, you'll be able to upload videos that are longer than 15 minutes without any restrictions. Keep in mind that it may take a short time for the changes to take effect, so if the option doesn't appear immediately, wait a few minutes and try again. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.